Mastering the past perfect continuous tense. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into an exciting aspect of English grammar, the past perfect continuous tense. This tense is a common feature in the TOEFL and IELTS exams, so buckle up and let's explore this together. The past perfect continuous tense describes actions or events that were ongoing in the past before another action or time. It emphasizes the duration or continuity of that action. The structure for this tense is subject plus had plus been plus present participle, verb plus ing. For example, she had been reading the book for 2 hours when he arrived. They had been playing football outside before it started to rain. 1. To emphasize the duration of an action that was happening before another action in the past. 2. They had been living in London for 5 years before they moved to New York. 3. When it's unclear whether the action was completed or not before something else happened. 4. She had been working on her painting all day, but I couldn't tell if she had finished it by the evening. 5. To describe the cause of a condition or state in the past. 6. He was tired because he had been running. 1. Emphasis on duration. Past perfect continuous places an emphasis on the duration or continuity of the action. Past perfect, on the other hand, focuses on the fact that the action happened. 2. Past perfect continuous. He had been studying for hours. Emphasizes the duration of studying. 3. Past perfect. He had studied the entire syllabus. Emphasizes the completion of an action. 4. Stative verbs. Generally, stative verbs, like know, believe, are not used in continuous forms. So, we use past perfect instead of past perfect continuous. 5. I had known her for years. Correct. 6. I had been knowing her for years. Incorrect. Well, that wraps up our session on the past perfect continuous tense. It's a powerful tool to depict ongoing actions in the past and their relevance. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature to you. Remember, English is a journey, and every lesson gets you one step closer. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.